Hello, I'm Matthew, and today we'll solve similar triangle problems. Before solving these questions, there are 3 rules of similar triangles that you need to know. If you're not sure what they are, please check out the link in the description. Here's our first question. Find the value of x. Solving similar triangle problems involve using proportional reasoning, but the first step is always confirming that the triangles are similar. We can see here that both triangles have 60-degree angles, and that tells us that we can probably check their similarity using SAS rule. And now let's compare the ratio of the two sides that include the angle and see if they are the same. So 3 corresponds to 9, so 3 over 9 is supposedly equal to 5 corresponds to 15, so 5 over 15. Let's simplify our fractions. 3 over 9 can be simplified to 1 over 3. If you're not sure how simplifying fraction works, please check out my video about it. 5 over 15, you can divide top and bottom by 5, so that can be simplified to 1 and 3. So yeah, both fractions can be simplified to 1 over 3. They are the same. So by SAS rule, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. And now let's use our proportional reasoning and find the value of x. Our x here corresponds to 12 from the triangle DEF. So x over 12 equals, we can use either 3 or 5, but let's just use 3 over 9 because 9 was the corresponding side of 3. Let's multiply both sides by 12. So we have x is equal to 3 over 9 times 12. Let's simplify our fractions. 3 over 9 can be simplified to 1 over 3. And 3 and 12, they are both divisible by 3. So 1 and 4. So we have x is equal to 4 centimeter. And that's our final answer. Let's check our second example. Find the value of x. As I said before, the first step of solving these questions is always confirming the similarity of the two triangles. So we're going to compare triangle ABC to triangle DEF. Are they similar triangles? Yes, they are, because the angle C is shared by both triangles, so that's one angle, and they both have 90 degrees angle, so 2 of the angles are the same. That means by AA rule, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEC. Now let's use our proportional reasoning, but for the sake of clarity, I'm going to redraw the triangles. Here is triangle ABC, 90 degree here. This side is x, and the bottom here is 8 plus 10. So that's 18 centimeters in total. Our second triangle is DEC, 90 degrees here. This is 6, this is 8, and it's 10 over here. Before we set up our ratio equation, let's first find the corresponding sides. Side x corresponds to 6 here, and 18 from triangle ABC corresponds to not 10, but 8. Make sure you get the corresponding sides right, because that is one of the most common mistakes that people make. Let's set up our ratio equation. Side x over 6 is equal to 18 over 8. Let's multiply both sides by 6. So x equals 18 over 8 times 6. Let's simplify. 18 and 8, they're both divisible by 2. So we have 9 over 4, and 4 and 6, they're both divisible by 2. So we have 2 and 3. And that makes our equation 9 times 3 is 27 over 2. And that in decimal is 13.5, and our unit was centimeter. So our final answer, x is equal to 13.5 centimeter. Let's summarize. Solving similar triangle problems involve 2 steps. First, check the similarity of the two triangles by using 3 rules of similar triangles. The two triangles should satisfy either AA or SSS or SAS rule. Secondly, Use proportional reasoning and compare the corresponding sides of the triangles. And by doing this, you'll be able to find the missing side of the triangles. I hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe. I'm Matthew, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!